Assalamualaikum and very good morning. So see you again. So make sure you are in the right group. So this is the lab session for CSC402. CSC402 for group CDCS 2301B, right? Is it correct? If correct, give me love reaction. Okay, very good. All right. As you know, I think I've mentioned to you when last day, the way of lab session is conducted through Microsoft Teams and face-to-face, face-to-face. And then for the odd week, minggu yang ganjil, so the lab session would be through Microsoft Teams lah, like this lah, But for the even week, minggu yang genap, the lab session will be conducted physically, face-to-face. Right. So next week, we will meet you. I will meet you, all of you, face-to-face, at MK14, right? Mal 14 kan? Is it correct? MK14? If correct, give me love reaction. Okay. All right. So please register your attendance. For those the registered student, meaning that you have registered this subject, CSC402, it is a must for you to register your attendance in UFeature. Okay. So don't forget to register your attendance. All right. Okay. So today is a lab 1. Okay. Can you see in your screen? Yeah, lab 1. If you can see it, give me like reaction. Okay, very good. Okay. So the same file I have uploaded to Microsoft Teams, so you can download it, this teaching material. But there is a password. Okay, I would like to share you the password. Okay, wait a moment. Okay. Okay, so I have shared to you the password in a WhatsApp group. Okay. All right. Okay, back to lab 1. Okay, for the first lab session, it just exercise, so no need to submit anything to me lah. Okay, so this is just a step, how to construct the code, compile, execute, and see the output. So this is by using dev C++ 5.17.1. This is the old version, the current version 6.3. But the step almost similar, almost similar. So first, what I need to do is to create a new file. Click on File, New, Source File, and then you can see the editor like this. And then you can input the code like this, include IOStream using namespace SD and cout. You can follow exactly the sample here. First, what you need to do is you can download the installer. I have uploaded in Microsoft Teams. You can download the installer, and then first you need to unzip first, and then you can install in your laptop, and then you can open up the dev C++ 6.3, the latest version. Okay. Next, how to compile? Just click on execute button, execute menu, and then click on compile, and then this dialog box will pop up to save as, and then you can by default this is the file name, untitled one, so you can name it. You can name it with any name, and then make sure the extension is .cpp. .cpp. Okay, right. Okay, let's say this is my the name of my file, file name, example1.cpp, and then I want to store in this folder, okay, C++ example, and then click on save. All right. Okay, and then if there is no error, zero error and zero warning, you can run it. You can execute it. So how to execute it? Again, click on the execute menu, and then choose run. Run icon. Or you also can use the shortcut key F10. F10. And then you can see the output. So this is the output, faculty of computer science. Okay. Okay, next this is exercise. Okay, this is what you need to do during this lab session. First, of course, you need to install the dev C++ first. Then you can do the then you can answer the question. Okay, there is 3 questions, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay, look at question 1. So you need to develop a C++ program that requires the user to enter 2 numbers during runtime. Then the computer will calculate and display the answer of total 2 numbers entered as shown in figure 1.8, like this. So this is the example of the output. Once you click run menu or run button, run icon, this statement will be appear. Please enter first number, and then this is the input. Okay. Let's say you enter 3. So once you enter 3 and press enter, this second statement will be appear. Please enter second number, and then you need to enter the second number. Let's say 4, and then press enter. it will calculate the two numbers you have entered lah. The total number of 3 and 4 is 7. Okay, let's say you enter 5 and 8. Total number of 5 and 8 would be 13. Itulah. Okay, in order for you to do this kind of operation, so you need to use the instruction cout and cin. Okay, for those students have experience to the programming, I think you already know lah. But for those students who don't have the basic, meaning that previously you don't never learn programming language, I think you just maybe you can discuss with your friend, or you can just watch this live online, because I will share after this the answer lah, or one of your friend can share the answer to us to discuss. Okay, so I give you now 8:20, now 8:30. I give you 15 minutes to answer question number 1. And then after 15 minutes, I will ask one of the learner to share the answer so that we can learn together. So no need to worry. So this is only the exercise. But for those who doesn't have the experience or never learned programming before, so you just watch this online. So we will discuss the answer later on. Might be this is the advanced question lah kot. So you no need to worry. So this is the subject of fundamental programming, and that's what we call as a programming 1, very basic. So you will learn step by step what is a variable, for example. In this case, what is a variable, and then what is the formula, for example, C equal to A plus B, and then what is the instruction cout and cin, right? So no need to worry. Okay, I think you can start now. So 8:45, 8:45. I will ask the answer from one of you. Okay, guys, is it okay? If okay, give me a love reaction. Satu je love. More love, come on. More love. Please don't sleep in my class. More love, more love. Give me more, give me more, give me more. How many students we have? 32. Give me more, give me more. All right, see you again 8:45. So I will stay here. All right. Any question you can ask through meeting chat. Okay. Okay, all right. All right. Have you finished, guys? Can you hear my voice, guys? If you hear my, if you can hear my voice, give me a love reaction. All right. Okay. So anyone would like to share your answer? I will give you a bonus mark. Haris want to share the answer, okay?
Nak
Huh?
nak share macam mana sir?
Boleh share tak guna Microsoft Teams tu? Kan ada ikon share tu kan?
Sekejap.
Boleh, Haris?
Your answer.
Okay. Take your time.
Nak kat mana sir? Kan ada.
Sebelah atas, sebelah kanan atas. Ada button share. Nampak tak?
Tak ada lah sir. Kan saya tekan yang CSC402 lab kan?
Sebelah atas kanan kan ada. Sekejap saya share. Saya ambil gambar dalam grup Yes. Okay. Dalam grup. Tak tahu lah awak masuk grup ke tak. Ada button share dekat atas kan. Tengok dalam WhatsApp group. Can you see it, Haris?
Nampak sir kejap.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So can you explain, Haris? Haris, I can hear your voice.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Yang ni tadi saya tengok online sebab yang before ni saya belajar Java tapi saya faham sikit lah.
Okay, very good.
Yang kalau yang guna yang atas ni saya tak tahu yang include ni kan sir. Tapi yang ni saya tahu kena guna sebab nanti nak tulis command cout
Okey,
dengan cin.
kalau Java dia ada guna import kan?
Import.
Dia sama macam include kan?
Oh yes sir.
Okey.
Faham. Yang ni macam yang ni dia kata untuk tulis command cout dengan cin lah.
Ya, betul.
Lepas tu yang ni macam open apa yang namanya? Main yang ni yang
Okey.
main macam dalam Java tu. Lepas tu yang
Alright.
kalau yang ni integer apa yang namanya?
Variable.
Variable. Variable untuk declare variable.
Okey.
Lepas tu sekejap, ni tak ada apa-apa. Sekejap. Lepas tu yang ni untuk cout ni untuk output dia print. Yang ni print output dia.
Okey.
Output. Lepas tu yang ni untuk enter input. Untuk masukkan input. Untuk first ni.
Okey, kena guna instruction cin untuk input. Okey.
Kena cin. Lepas tu bila kita dah enter untuk input yang number 1 ni, lepas tu dia akan keluar yang ni yang kedua pula. Dia akan print yang kedua, cout. Dia akan print yang kedua ni, please enter second number. Lepas tu kita enter number apa tu variable number 2 ni lah.
Okey.
Guna command cin ni. Lepas tu bila dah enter dia akan kira total number. Dia akan kira total number guna ni. Macam apa dia akan kira total number lah. Lepas tu kita print dia balik. Tapi saya tak buat sama macam C lah. Sebab kalau yang C punya dia akan tulis total of number. Tentu saya kan masukkan 2 dengan 6 kan. Dia akan tulis total of number 2 and 6 is. Sebab saya lupa apa tu cara nak letak yang tu lah. Sebab kalau macam Java dia tulis dia akan letak tambah dekat tepi ni macam.
Ya, betul.
Tambah,
Plus kan? Ya, betul.
Tambah. Ke kat dalam saya lupa.
Sebenarnya dah ada dah apa yang buat tu. Tambah sikit je. Okey, tak apa, nanti saya tunjukkan.
Okey sir.
Okey, seterusnya.
Itu je. Lepas tu dia print ni, lepas tu yang ni return ni tak apa saya sebenarnya.
Return 0.
Return 0.
Okay, sebenarnya you can return something, you can return something, but when you put return 0, meaning that you are return nothing. Kalau tak letak pun tak apa sebenarnya. Return 0 maksudnya return nothing, but you can return something. Nanti return something nanti saya akan ajar nantilah.
Okay, saya baik.
Okay, and then cuba compile atau run.
Okay, run. Saya letak nombor 3.
Okay, enter. And then enter. Alright, thank you, Haris. Can you give your full name dekat meeting chat tu?
Kat mana sih?
Dekat meeting chat.
Meeting.
Kenapa awak dah register subjek ni belum?
Dah.
Tapi kenapa masih meeting guest
Sebab tak tahu sebab saya guna Gmail. Tapi sebab saya baru try buka laptop balik saya. Saya masuk
okay.
kat phone je.
Okay, alright. So jangan guna Gmail sebagai student UiTM awak ada akaun gunakan akaun Microsoft Teams masing-masing lah. Masing-masing ada akaun masing-masing So jangan guna yang bukan official lah. Right.
Okay, saya baik sir.
Okay, bagi nama your full name dekat meeting chat tu.
Meeting chat. Saya pun tak tahu meeting chat kat mana.
Meeting chat dia dekat line yang sama tadi, ada kamera, ada mic kan. Sebelah kiri sekali ada tulis chat. Ada pop out, ada chat. Perasan tak?
Tak ada rasa.
Dia nanti
Semalam pun saya try dah nak tulis tapi tak jumpa.
nanti saya share je dekat. Baru first time kot guna. Tak biasa guna Microsoft Teams ya?
Tak biasa je sebab before ni Gmail je.
Oh, okay. Sekejap saya share. Okay, nampak tak dalam grup sebelah kiri tu ada chat kan?
Tapi dekat saya punya tak ada. Mungkin sebab saya tak guna Microsoft punya account kan.
Oh, ya ke? Okay, tak apalah. Awak just WhatsApp to me lah, your full name.
PM saya, okey saya.
Okay, alright.
Okey saya, terima kasih.
Sebab saya nak bagi bonus. Okay, thank you, Haris. Okay, okay, please unshare, Haris. Okay, alright, thank you. Okay, I would like to share the answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, can you see in your screen? This is the front page of Dev C++. If you can see, give me like reaction. Okay, all right. So once you have installed the Dev Dev C++, so this is the latest version lah. Embarcadero Dev C++ 6.3. You can click on File, New, and click on Source File. Or you can use the shortcut Control N. Control N. Click on it. See, you can see the blinking cursor. Then you can start to enter the code, right? Okay. Okay, first hashtag include IO stream using namespace std. So why we include include ni dalam bahasa Melayu maksudnya masukkanlah masukkan IO stream IO stream is a header file file kepala header file. I stand for input, O stand for output input output stream okay. So why we need to include this header file? Because we want to use the instruction cout and cin okay. When I put this symbol double backslash, so the compiler will not read after this kind of symbol. So this is like a comment lah. So you can put any text and sentence after this symbol double backslash. Okay, and then using namespace std and then main. So what is main? Main is a main function lah, fungsi utama ataupun main function. It is a must to have. It is a must to have one main function for one particular source file lah. So semua ni nanti kita akan save dalam source file Dia mesti, it is a must to have one main function. And then start from open and close curly bracket. This is your code lah. Okay, this is your code. Let's say you want to cout and cout. So what mean by cout? You just want to print out to the screen. Then Don't forget to put double quote. Okay. Okay. Please enter first number. Okay. Then don't forget to end your code with the semicolon, right? So this is semicolon. Okay. And then you can what happens when you try to compile? So how to compile it? Execute menu, then click on compile, and then this save as pop-up dialog box will pop up. Yes, and then this is the default file name. You can name it with any name, and then the file extension will be .cpp, right? Just click on save. Yeah, just replace it, and then you can see at the bottom the compilation result. You can see here 0 error and 0 warning. So meaning that your compilation is successful, right? And then you can click on execute and run it. See, this is the output. Please enter first number. But in this case, there is no input again. So how to enter the input? So you need to close the output console first, and then you can add. You can add your code. See out. Just copy. Sorry. And then paste here, see out, and then change it as a second number. Right. Okay. So to input, you need to use instruction cin, cin, and then followed by this arrow lah, arrow, anak panah. Cin must be like this, and then cout must be like this. So please don't be confused. Otherwise, when you compile it, you can obtain an error. Let's say you just put it like this and cin. What happened when you try to compile? Error. So you can see the error. So this is the expansion, no match for operator. Because after cin, you need to put the variable. Let's say the variable is number 1. Okay, so this is the concept of programming. We have variable. Let's say you want to use this variable number 1. You need to declare first. So how to declare it? Let's say we want to store only integer number, kan? We want to store number 1, let's say number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, just an integer. So we can use int number 1. Make sure the name of variable is similar, okay, and then semicolon. This is the correct way how to use the variable. Okay, and then compile it. See, there is no error. 0 error, 0 warning. Okay, this is for number 1. So how about number 2? Just copy this one, put here number 2. So we have 2 variable here. Since we want to use this variable, so you need to declare first, number 2. Okay, and then compile it, right? Run it. Okay, please enter first number. Let's say 3. Enter. 4. Enter. But there is no operation. 3 and 4. There is no operation. So we need to add the operation. Let's say total equal to number number 1 plus number 2. Okay. In programming, you need to put the operation plus to the right side, sebelah kanan. Kan? During the normal mathematical calculation, if you want to do the operation addition, for example, 2 plus 3, kan? So you need to put on the left side, kan? And then equal to 5. So this is the normal mathematical operation, kan? But in programming, it is in other way around. Dia terbalik lah. Okay, you need to put the operation on the right side, and then total will be in the left side. Okay. Okay, and then since this is also the variable, so we need to declare it. Total, right? Okay, and then so we have the operation. So we want to print out to the console. We want to print out. We need to use the instruction cout. Cout total. Okay. Compile. Okay. Run. Enter number 2, 3, C. So the answer is 5. But still not follow as what the question 1, right? So we need to adjust. We need to do some changes in our code. What we need to do is just put like this, double quote, total of number, right? Total of number. Okay. Delete first, total of number, and then number 1. Okay. And okay, and number 2. Double quote is total. Right. So whatever that you put inside this double quote, the compiler will read it as just a word or sentence only. Okay, but when there is no double quote, so it will refer it as a variable. Number 1. Number 1 refer this one. Number 1. Number 2 refer this one. Number 2. Whatever you input, and then total refer to this one. Total. Okay, I think our code is complete, and then you can add return 0. So it is an option actually. You can put return 0, or you can just leave it as like this. So no need to put return 0. Okay, execute, compile. Okay, 0 error, 0 warning. Execute and then run. Right. Let's say 4, then 5. See, total number of 4 and 5 is 9. Okay, if you're not satisfied, you can run again and put another numbers. Let's say 1 and 2. Okay, total number of 1 and 2 is 3. So far so good, guys. If good, give me love fraction. Give me more, give me more. More love, more love. Senang kan? Senang je. Alright. Okay. So I have recorded this lab session, so you can rewatch again lah, if you want. Alright, next question. Next question apa? Okay. Okay, question number 2. Develop a C++ program to generate the multiplication table of any number. The multiplication table must be started from 0 until 12. 0 until 12. As shown in figure 1.9, okay, and figure 1.10. Alright. Multiplication table atau CFA lah kan, CFA. Okay. Okay, when you execute this statement or this sentence will be displayed, and please enter the multiplication table, and then you need to input this one. You need to input 3. When you input 3 and then press enter, CFA 3 kan dipaparkan like this. 0 times 3, 0, 1 times 3, 3, 2 times 3, 6 until 12 lah. Okay, if you enter 7 for example, so CFA 7 table of multiplication number 7 will be displayed like this. Okay, so I give you 30 minutes to do it. Boleh tak? Ataupun 15 minutes lah. Now we 9:14 kan, 9:14. 9:16 9:16 9:30 pukul 9:30 pukul 9:30 9:30. Please share me the answer. Okay guys, can start now. All right. You okay, guys? So, someone want to share the answer? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Right. Someone want to share the answer?
Please.
No rider.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right. Very good. I will unshare first. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. You are using online compiler, right? Okay. Can you explain?
So, first using namespace std, and then declare integer number, integer name, integer number, kena CR this into the multiplication table, number apa yang kita nak masuk untuk kita darabkan dengan ni. Lepas kita guna, saya guna while loop untuk for. I ni dia akan kira daripada kosong, dia akan naik sampai 12. Daripada 20 sampai 12. Dia akan count. Lepas tu, lepas dia habis, yang ni untuk slash n ni untuk new line.
Okay. So you are using a for loop, kan? Okay, very good.
So, kalau saya masukkan 3, dia akan loop untuk dekat sini lah, number 3 tu. Yang I tadi tu untuk count yang depan.
Okay. Okay, hopefully everyone understand. So this is how we can use. Thank you, No rider, No rider. Okay, this is how we can use loop, in C++, In C++, actually we have 3 kind of loop, Number 1 is while, while loop. Number 2, do while, and then number 3, for loop, So no rider use for loop now, to answer this question. Okay, very good. Okay, a bonus mark to you, no rider. Right. Okay, next. Next. Okay, question number 3, so this is more complicated. The last question, develop a C+ program to generate the multiplication table by any number. The multiplication table must be started from 0 to 5. C failure, from 0 to 5. The C++ program can be repeated depending on the selection of the menu from the user. If the user select 1, okay, there is a menu, so this is a menu. If user select 1, meaning that number 1 is a multiplication table, and then the multiplication table will be generated. If the user select 2, then exit, the multiplication table will be stopped, as shown in the figure 1.11. This one. Okay, let's say I run or execute the program. This menu will be displayed first, and then you can choose either number 1 and number 2. Let's say this is the input. Let's say I choose number 1. What happens? This statement will be displayed. Please enter the multiplication table, and then you need to input 3. Number 3. Let's say for example, 3. So what happens? The multiplication table from 0 to 5 of number 3 will be displayed. Okay, like this. And then next what happens? The menu will be displayed again, right? And then you need to choose either number 1 and number 2. Let's say you choose again number 1. and then this statement will be displayed, and then you need to enter the input for this multiplication table. Let's say number 6, and then it will display the multiplication table of number 6 from 0 to 5. Next, this menu will be displayed again, right? Let's say you choose 3. What happened? This message will be displayed, wrong input, please enter again. And then the menu will be displayed again. Let's say you choose number 2, meaning that you want to exit again, and then this message will be displayed. Thank you. All right. That's it. Question number 3. So now 9:37. Okay, I give you 10 minutes. Boleh tak? 10 minutes to answer the question. Or I don't know, maybe you have answer it. Okay, 10 minutes will be meet again. All right. Okay, guys. Someone want to share the answer to me, to us? Can you hear me, guys? If you hear me, give me a love reaction. Okay. Okay, someone? Someone want to share the answer? Tak ada, eh? No one, eh? Okay lah. I will share the answer kan, eh? Tapi no one will get the bonus mark lah kan, eh? Alright. Okay, stop sharing first. Wait a moment, eh? Okay. 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 Can you see it? Right. So this is the answer for question number 3, eh? So in this case, we have multiple, more than one, eh? More than one loop. Okay, and then we have if-else selection. Okay, more than one loop, and the first one I use do while loop, eh? So do while loop, and then while, eh? Okay. Okay, let's say we compile first. Okay, 0 warning and 0 error, run. Okay. So when you execute it, this menu will be displayed, multiplication table or exit, 1 and 2. Let's say I choose 1, enter, right, and then enter 3. Okay, so this is the multiplication table of number 3. And then the menu will be displayed again. Let's say I choose 1 again, 6, right? So this is the list of multiplication table of number 6 from 0 to 5. And then let's say I enter 3, what happened? See, wrong input, please enter again. Wrong input, this one lah, this one, wrong input. And then let's say I enter 2. Okay, thank you, exit. So this is the answer lah. Okay. So no need to worry. So I will teach you, inshallah, how to do looping, So this is by using dual and for loop. There is 2 loop here, Okay. Okay, let's so this is the variable that I use, only 3 variable, number, multip, and option. And then cout, please select the menu. So this is just to display to the console kan, And then menu number 1, multiplication table, menu number 2, exit, and then cout, Okay, cin. So this is how the computer understand. So we enter the numbers 1 or 2, Okay. Okay. If the answer is not number 1 and not number 2, okay, this message will be displayed, wrong input, please enter again. Okay, let's say I enter number 1. It will recognize it as a multiplication table lah. Can number 1 would be multiplication table, right? And then this C out will be displayed. Please enter the multiplication table and then C in again. Okay, and then let's say I enter 3. Okay, enter 3. And then this is the loop for multiplication. Start from 0 and then until 5. And each of the loop must be plus 1. Plus meaning that we want to plus 1. 0 plus 1 would be 1. 1 plus 1 would be 2. 2 plus 1 would be 3 until 5. Okay, so this is the limit. We set the limit. And then okay, every looping, so we need to do this statement. Every loop. Let's say number is 0. So 0 multiply multiply 3. 0 multiply 3 would be 0 multiply 3. So this is the operation now. Operation of multiplication. So in C++, to multiply we use a star. Nak darab tu kita kena gunakan star. So this is symbol provided by C++. If you ask me why you need to use star, so I don't know. We just follow. So this is the rule kan, stated by C++. Okay, 0 multiply 3 will be 0 lah kan. Okay, and then loop again. Number will be 1. 1 multiply 3. Okay, would be 3. And then 2 multiply 3 will be 6. Macam tu lah. Until 5 kan. 5 multiply 3 would be 15. And then so this is loop if option is not equal to 2. Okay, thank you. Right. So this is how we stop the loop lah. Alright guys, so far so good. If good, give me a love reaction. Can you understand? More love. Okay, alright. So this is just the exercise. So no need to worry. For those students that never learned the programming before, it's just the early exposure lah, pendedahan awal je lah, to all of you. How we compile, how we run, and see the output. So we will start from very basic to the advanced level. No need to worry. Okay, inshallah we will meet you physically, face to face, next week. So far, any question you want to ask? Before we stop this session, any question? No question, Right, so I think I will stop right now. That's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.